Salaries for data analysts can vary widely based on factors such as experience, location, and the specific industry. Here is a general overview of data analyst salaries in different countries as of my last knowledge update in September 2021. Please keep in mind that these figures may have changed since then. United States, data analyst salaries in the United States can range from $50,000 to $120,000 or more, with higher salaries in tech hubs like San Francisco, New York City, and Seattle. In Canada, data analyst salaries vary by city. In major cities like Toronto and Vancouver, you might find salaries ranging from $50,000 Canadian dollars to $90,000 Canadian dollars. United Kingdom, data analysts in the UK can earn between £25,000 to £60,000 annually, depending on experience and location. Germany, data analyst salaries in Germany can range from €40,000 to €70,000, with variations based on the city. Australia, in cities like Sydney and Melbourne, data analyst salaries typically range from $60,000 Australian dollars to $100,000 Australian dollars. India, data analyst salaries in India vary significantly based on location and experience. In cities like Bangalore, Mumbai, or Delhi, salaries might range from 3 lakh Bharatiya Rupee to 10 lakh Indian rupees or more. China, in cities like Beijing and Shanghai, data analyst salaries can range from 100,000 Chinese yuan to 300,000 Chinese yuan or more annually. Singapore, data analyst salaries in Singapore are competitive, with mid-level professionals earning 45,000 Singapore dollars to 90,000 Singapore dollars. Brazil, data analyst salaries in Brazil can vary widely, but in major cities like São Paulo and Rio de Janeiro, you might find salaries ranging from 40,000 Brazilian reals to 80,000 Brazilian reals or more annually. South Africa, data analyst salaries in South Africa can range from 150,000 South African rands to 400,000 South African rands or more, depending on experience and location. Please keep in mind that these figures are approximate and can vary based on market demand, cost of living, and the specific company or industry. For the most up-to-date and accurate salary information, it's advisable to consult job listings, industry reports, and professional networks in your target location.